as the final 8 points is in your hands. So as you can take a look at that freestyle performance by Just Get Her Done 2, what did you have to say? It's going to come down to you now at judgeszone.com.